Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the MaxGroom body shaver set. Let's go ahead and take an unboxing and a close-up look at all the attachments that come with this. I don't have a ton of hair here, but we can take a look at this thing and see how it does. Now this is full body too. It's not just for your face, but you could use it there too. All right, let's take a look here. Here is the main device itself, covered in plastic, and then it's got a nice little plastic bag on it as well. Maybe a close-up look here. It does come fully charged. That's pretty nice. Okay, nice simple look. USB-C chargeable. Got that orange and black look. Like to see that. Let's go through here and see what sort of attachments we're looking at. Do have a very big instruction / user manual as well. So let's see the attachments. This is one of the more important parts of a little grooming set. A nice little carrying bag to hold all your attachments together, and this is pretty thick and high quality compared to most bags you'll see. I like to see that. USB-C charger. And now we get into the attachments here. So you have your typical nose hair trimmer here. This would go on by rotating this off just like that and popping this on. Now you can see that's going. So super easy to do, just on, off. Let's see what other attachments we're working with here. Interesting. Now we have some of your traditional guards right here. And this will actually grow and shrink based on that twist wheel. Like to see that customizability. You can see all the different numbers there. Then you have your side one right here. All of these are very easy to attach. Okay. Then you have a nice little grooming comb here, a nice little brush to clean the hair out of the unit itself, and that looks to be it. So check it out from MaxGroom, guys. A pretty sweet device, super easy to handle, and has a ton of different attachments here, which you can keep all of them in a carry case.